Alright, to answer your question, I think this video can help you. Um, I'd say that there is no right way or wrong way to write a cover letter. However, what I really look inside your cover letter to have three important things. You should have opening, you should have the middle part, and you have closing. And everything in the cover letter has to be very, very clear, very, very well explained. Yes, if you look at the internet, you're gonna find a lot of samples, a lot of example of the cover letter. However, you cannot just copy, because you know what, it's not clear, it's not your own information. So that's why I'm saying it has to be very clear, very, very, very certain of what you put. Okay, like to say, I am going to graduate in May. What year? This year, next year, or 5 more years ago? You see, it's not really clear. That's why you have to identify whatever you put, whatever you experience you have, you need to be very, very specific. Okay, this is an example of the cover letter that the book talk about. Yes, there are three important parts that I want you to really understand. From dear sir and madam until exciting designs. We call this part as the opening part. It's open, you know the word open, bird, right? So for bird, we don't say a lot of things. You just talk about who you are, what's your name, okay? What company you want to apply for, what position that you want to apply for. And let's say you want to be a teacher, you want to be a PE, physical education teacher. Tell us why. Tell the school why that you want to be a PE teacher in that school. That's it for the opening part. The most important part is here in the middle part, this part, okay? Yes, this part you have to tell how good you are, what qualification you have, what experience you have earned, okay? Everything, the most important part here inside the middle part. You really have to look at this one and put here. You're good at what? You have been trained, you have work experience, you have a very good GPA, you're gonna graduate, everything in the middle part. And the last part, what you have to put, your contact, your information. Let's say the school really interested in your cover letter, they want to hire you. How can they hire you if you don't put the email, you don't put your phone number, you don't put your address? So you will lose this opportunity. Somebody will take it instead of you. That's why it's really important. Another thing, this one can be very helpful. Information that needs to be put inside the cover letter. Your name, of course, full name, like I already explained. Everything has to be official. So don't put your nickname, John, James, Few. Put your real name. Position you want to apply. You want to be applying for a teacher. You want to be applying for a manager. You want to be applying a tour guide. Whatever you want to be needs to be clearly specified there. And the name of the company. And in case you are the PE teacher, the name of the school, right? What school you want to be. And university where you are from, a full name like Nakhon Pathom Ratchapat University. And this one I already explained to you. Graduation date, you don't just put June, July, April. Clearly say May. For example, the company really needs the worker now, but you graduate next year. They wouldn't wait you. They have to find somebody else to replace. And your contact information that I already explained. Suppose they like you, but if you don't put the contact, how can they call you? How can they write to you? And the last one, availability. I think this one not really important. When we apply for a job, we are always make ourselves available. They can contact us anytime. But if you can put, that's also really good. Well, I think this information really important, and it can help you to develop a good cover letter. I tell you what, it may not important for you now, but when you applying for a job, there would be a lot of applicants, and you have to be the top one to be selected. If your cover letter is very simple, it has a lot of mistake, it's gonna be a problem. Uh, that's it. I want to tell you the information I looked inside and the clarity inside of it. Um, so feel free to ask me more if you have any more questions.